Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNHero.com. In this video, I'll be talking about another module that comes together with the opt-in module package from DataSprings, and the module is called Advanced Email. Now, we have covered in the previous video simple opt-in email, and now we're going to talk about advanced email. Advanced email is the actual module that you will be using to send your newsletters, for the subscribers. So what we're going to do is we are already logged into the back end of the site. We have the full subscription page loaded, and you can get reference about how we get to this point in previous videos. I'm going to add to this page that module called Opt-in Advanced Email. So let's just hit Add Module. So here's the Advanced Email, and very simple what we can do here. We can create a new email to be sent out. And at this point, we just have one subscriber, which is under my name and has my email address. So what I'll do now, I'm going to explore how the options and how you can go about creating a new email to be sent out, a new newsletter email. So this is the whole purpose of this module, to be able to get subscribers. So people subscribe to your newsletter, and now we're going to finally be able to send out the newsletter. So from here, the first option, you can select a previous newsletter if you have sent one already. We have not sent anyone, so there's none here. Now we can say that we can specify the subject, video tutorial, news, and then we can use this area, and I'm gonna flip back to rich text editor. We can build our template just right here within this, with the rich text HTML. Now, I'm not gonna cover how you're gonna be able to do a beautiful email HTML template. That's not the purpose of this video. This video is supposed just to show you where you can get to things. But now, again, another thing that you have to worry about is how to get it I'd say to get it pretty here. But I'm gonna just do something very simple, something very basic here. I'm just gonna say, hi, so and so. This is a new video post. Thanks. And then I'll put my name at the bottom. Now, very clear here that we need to do something about this so and so. We cannot just keep hi. I mean, I could say just hi, but I want to go a little bit more personal here. So how can we do that with our subscriber list? Very simple. We can use tokens. Now, for some reason, the tokens are not 100%. Are not working 100% here. Ideally, the way this would work is I can select the field, let's say first name, and I would just hit the place and click insert, and then the token will be inserted automatically here. For some reason, this is not working that well right now. Actually not working at all. It might be because I don't have the latest version. It might be because there is some sort of incompatibility, but I'm sure that the most recent version available on Snow Covered, this should be working, or maybe this is just a local problem with my system. But bottom line is that I'm gonna put the token manually. To do that, I'm gonna refer back to their manual, and I'm going to copy the first name token. So I'm gonna say hi, first name. That's the way the token will be automatically replaced by the first name of the subscriber. And this is just a plain and simple message. I can use a bunch of different tokens here. If we go back to their menu, we have first name, last name, email address, date and time, and again there are more. And if you create more customized fields and you ask more questions, those questions will be also available to be added as tokens. Actually, this is a full list, but again, for some reason, the automated insertion is not working here. Now, so we do have the email message here, the subject at the top. Then we also have a box that says email message text only format, just in case if you had allowed your subscribers to choose if they want to receive HTML or text-based messages, you have the option from here to put an HTML message at the top and a plain simple text message at the bottom for those users who had chosen text only instead of HTML. Now, if we keep scrolling down, there's also this area that says non-personalized message. In this area, I can, let me flip back to Rich Text Editor. I can set up my text here, but this text will be a generic text. It cannot have personalized tokens like first name. It has to be just something like hi. It would be something like this. Hi, hi, this is a new video post. Thanks, that's it. You cannot put personalized information in this box. But why do you have those two options? Why you can use personalized and non-personalized? Because below here, if you scroll all the way down under advanced settings, we have the option that says send method. And we can send one message per email address, which uses the personalized text, or we can use the second option, which is one email to BCC everybody, not personalized. So for personalized, it will, the module will use this message and the text only message as well. But for the non-personalized, it will use this message. So it's up to you to use a personalized or not. My personal preference is to use a personalized because BCC can also be flagged as very, very easily as spam. So I do prefer to use personalized messages. Now let's scroll all the way up. Let's see the second option here. From here, you can save what we are doing here as draft. You can send a test email, you can send it immediately, you can schedule immediately, but in our case we're gonna, and then you can schedule for a later date and time as well. But in our case we're gonna send this immediately. And again, even though we have just one subscriber, but we're gonna try this. And then under opt-in lists, I can check which lists I want to send this email to. I may want to send to both lists or to just one list. In our case, we just have one subscriber under promotions. Let's send it directly to promotions. If I have additional emails that I want to send, I can list them here, separated by a semicolon. Okay, so I can list additional email address here in this box. Now, I can save a copy of this, which I will, and I can publish to the site as well. I'm gonna just leave this. Actually, I'm gonna check this. Reply to address from name from. I'm gonna say that it's from Ederson. If there's any attachments, I can specify here. Priority, I'll just leave it normal. Now, send action is also important. I'm gonna send this synchronously. So when I hit finish, it will send it right away. Or I could send it asynchronous as well. So it will be I'm gonna hit finish and it will send them one by one asynchronously. So let's select synchronous. We just have one subscriber. Let's click finish. Now once I hit finish, I came back to this page. My new email is right here, video tutorial news. It says when it was sent, and it has some statistic information. There is a reporting tool. There is some, you can view the email, you can create a copy, reporting tool. Let's have a quick look. It gives me some statistics. It says that there is one read count here, and then it says how many were open, how many clicked, how many failed. Very good statistics, very detailed statistics here. Now I'm gonna check my email. The email has come, video tutorial news. Hi Ederson, it grabbed my first name, and this is the video post. Thanks Ederson. My name was the one that has subscribed. So this is how you can use the opt-in email module from DataSprings to send out newsletter emails. That's it for now. Thank you very much and bye.